You will look and feel younger than your age, younger than your age. Your skin will look more lifted, more lifted. Your skin will look more glowy, more glowy. Your skin will look smoother, smoother. You will feel more relaxed and at peace, at peace. No tools are required, just your hands. Hi loves, this is Sinyoung from Lémore Beauty. Do this on clean, moisturized skin with clean hands for best results. We're going to lift our neck, lower face with lymphatic drainage, light to medium pressure, like so. Two more. Sweeping all the way up with lifting and draining. One more. Release. Switch. We'll do the other side. Same thing. Light to medium pressure. Lifting and draining. Two more. Third. Release. Now we're going to lift our marionette smile lines, cheeks, and eye corners, light to medium pressure, like so. Sweep all the way up, like so. Two more. Lifting it all up. One more. Like this. And release. This side already looks more lifted. Switch. Let's do the other side. Light to medium pressure. Sweep all the way up like so. This. And two more. Like so. Lifting it all up. Third. Like so. And release. Now we're going to shape our nose and lift our eyes using the soft pads of your fingertips, light to medium pressure. Like so, gently massage the sides of your nose, going up here, like so. And we're going to sweep all the way up like this, apply acupressure, and come out like so to your temples. Two more. Great for releasing sinus congestion. And we're going to come up like so, and out and up to your temples. One more. acupressure to release tension and out to your temples and release. We're going to smooth our frown lines and lift our forehead. Light to medium pressure, sweeping up and out. Second, third, fourth, and fifth. Release. Switch, we'll do the other side, like so, sweeping up and out like so, like this. Third, fourth, and the last one. And release. Now we're going to open our chest and shoulders. 1, 2, 3. Release. I hope you look and feel amazing, amazing, amazing. Do this 1 to 2 times per day for 7 days, and you will notice positive changes. For better results, make sure to enjoy and smile while you do this. If you found this video helpful, check out our face massages and exercises playlist, as well as our ASMR playlist. I believe in you and you got this, my love, my love, my love.